Well, it's Wednesday the 17th, and my lady friend has arrived. This RV belongs to my lady friend Sean, and it's parked in front of my RV, which is parked in front of Greg's RV, and there'll be more this weekend, mostly trailers versus RVs, but Kevin has said that he may rename the property Red Roof Inn RV Park. So she was in her RV up in Virginia visiting her brother, and she drove down here to spend a couple days at Greg's. She'd never seen Greg's property before, so she's over there taking a tour now. That's her puppy right there that travels with her. It's a wire-haired terrier, and my little guy. So here we are at Greg's, beautiful sunny day. My RV, Sean's RV, and Greg's got his truck down there to make room for anybody else who shows up. So, beautiful area, just beautiful. Sean's taking a tour of the cabin now. I'm watching the dogs, because that's my job. I get to watch the dogs. Got this new electric Cadillac. Sue's sister just bought this. I think it was the sister. There's two ladies visiting. So we have a full house. This is Sue's little car. Greg's side by side. Got it plugged into 120. It's charging very slowly on 120. It is charging. So, Sean's RV, my RV, and we're here at Greg's. That's Greg's RV. Beautiful area. Well, we're taking a little walk exercise. Sean's puppy, and just saw this view and thought it was so pretty. Isn't that lovely? It's a beautiful day. We borrowed Greg's car. We're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it is lovely up here. This is the front view on Bluff Mountain, elevation 3792. Elevation here, 3421. See if we can get a better view of the distance down this trailhead here. Oh, I'm just going to stand next to it and look down it. And here comes Miss Sean.
Look at these natural stones, beautifully placed for steps.
Isn't that something? Look at the distance. Look at all those mountains. Wow. Let's see if we can find another overlook. Good morning. It's Friday, September 9th. And brothers and cousins and nephews should start arriving today and tomorrow. Right now it's just me with Greg and Greg's wife, Sue, Greg's fiancée, Sue. My lady friend Sean was here for a day. She came down because she's on the East Coast visiting family with her, she's in her RV visiting family. And she came down for a day because I'd told her so much about Greg's house that she really wanted to see it. So she got to see Greg's house and the beautiful surrounding area. And we borrowed Greg's car. It's actually his fiancee's car. We borrowed that and took a ride yesterday out to the Parkway, oh gosh, I'm going to stop this. All right, I'm back. The Blue Ridge Parkway. It's 460 miles, Virginia down to Tennessee. And originally built to connect Skyline Drive in Virginia to the Great Smoky Mountains down in Tennessee. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ride, beautiful view. On a motorcycle, it's incredible. The The only problem when you're on a bike, the road is so great, you want to, ride the ride, and you'll run across old guys like me in cars in very few passing zones. But anyway, we had a really good time on that ride. We went down to downtown Sparta and had lunch, Greg and Sue and me and Sean. And then they came home and we took the car and took a ride. And as I say, the brothers and cousins and nephews should be arriving today and tomorrow. And maybe we'll get some better videos. In the meantime, shirt of the day. This is a Sturgis 2009, the 69th year of Sturgis. So all the guys are walking around with smiles on their faces. Let's set this up and I'll show you the back. I'll be back. All right, let's see the back side of the shirt. Shirt of the day. Sturgis 2009, the 69th Sturgis get-together. Kind of a nice shirt. Once again, this is probably the first or second time I've ever worn it. I had on the coolest shirt the other day. It's very, very rare shirt. Very few people get them. It was for the Vashon Island TT. Vashon, the club on Vashon puts on a rally every year. Vashon Island up in Washington State. And it is literally an island. You have to take a ferry boat to get to it. And they put on a rally, but they don't tell anybody. They don't advertise it. They don't even tell people when it's going to be. If you don't know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, you don't know when they're going to have this rally. And I happen to have a son who lives on Vashon Island. And we were taking a trip up to visit him and my daughters, and he mentioned that the rally was going to happen while I was in the area. So I got to go to the Vashon rally. I had the Norton and the Triumph with me. So I got to attend the rally. And well, I mean to tell you, there were hundreds and hundreds of bikes. It was really cool for being a rally that's completely unadvertised. Only the people on the island know when it's going to happen. So I got a Vashon Island TT t-shirt, and they're kind of rare. And I'll wear it again during this week, and I'll let you see it. So in the meantime, I'm going to call it. I'm just going to go ahead and post this just for the heck of it. And once my brothers and nephews and cousins start arriving, I'll do some more videos. They'll be they'll be really a lot more interesting than the ones I'm doing now, with just yours truly talking to a backside of an iPhone. That's it. I'll let you know what happens later on. Bye.